Welcome friends to my new video for learning C language. Today I am going to start with unit number 1. First topic is what is programming language? What is computer programming language? We need a language like Hindi, English to make communication through which person can express their feelings. Similarly, when we want to make communication between user and computer, we need a language through which user can give information to the computer and vice versa. When a user wants to give any instruction to the computer, the user needs knowledge of language in which instructions are written. The language that allows us to write instructions is known as computer programming language. A set of instructions to accomplish a particular task written in computer programming language is known as a program. There are n number of programming languages that allow us to write programs like C, C++, Java, etc. Types of programming languages. As it is shown on the screen, there are 3 programming languages: low-level language, middle-level language, and high-level language. Let us start with low-level language. Low-level language is the only language which can be understood by the computer. Binary language consists of zeros and ones is an example of low-level language. Low-level language is also known as machine language. Computer can directly understand the binary language. Machine language is also known as the machine code. As the CPU directly understands the binary language instructions, it does not require any translator. CPU directly starts executing the binary language instructions and takes very less time to execute the instructions as it does not require any translator. Low-level language is considered as the first generation language. Let us say advantages and disadvantages of low-level language. First one, advantages. A computer can easily understand the low-level language. As computer's language is binary language, that's why there is no problem for computer to understand this language. Low-level language instructions are executed directly without any translation. Low-level language instructions are require very less time for their execution. Disadvantages. Low-level language instructions are very difficult to use and understand. As we have seen, low-level language consists of binary numbers, zeros and ones. That's why the code which is there in binary form cannot be understood by us easily. We cannot understand at all. Low-level language instructions are machine dependent. That means a program written for a particular machine does not execute on another machine. This means here machine dependence means that code is written for a particular machine. For example, I have a computer and binary code is there which is specific for my computer only. Then in this case, the code which is there for my computer cannot be executed on another computer. In low-level language, it is difficult to find errors, debug and modify. Let us start with middle-level language. In middle-level language, the instructions are created using symbols such as letters, digits, and special characters. Assembly language is an example of middle-level language. In assembly language, we use predefined words called mnemonics. Computer cannot understand mnemonics, so we use a translator called assembler to translate mnemonics into binary language. Assembler is a translator which takes assembly code as input and produces machine code as output to make it understandable by the computer. Assembler is used to translate middle-level language into low-level language. Let us say advantages and disadvantages of middle-level language. First one, advantages. Writing instructions in a middle-level language is easier than writing instructions in low-level language. Middle-level language is more readable compared to low-level language. Easy to understand, find errors, and modify. Let us say disadvantages. Middle-level language is specific to a particular machine architecture. That means middle-level language is specific to a particular machine architecture. That means it is machine dependent. Machine-level language needs to be translated into low-level language. Middle-level language executes slower compared to low-level language. Let us see about high-level language. A high-level language can be understood by the user. The high-level language is very similar to human language and has a set of grammar rules that are used to make instructions more easily. Every high-level language has a set of predefined words known as keywords and a set of rules known as syntax to create instructions. High-level language needs to be converted into low-level language to make it understandable by the computer. We use compiler or interpreter to convert high-level language to low-level language. Examples of high-level language are C, C++, Java, etc. Instructions are converted to low-level language by the compiler so that it can be understood by the computer. Advantages of high-level language. Writing instructions in a high-level language is easier. High-level language is more readable and understandable. The programs created using high-level language runs on different machines with little change or no change. Easy to understand, create program, find errors and modify. Disadvantages. High-level language needs to be translated into low-level language. High-level language executes slower compared to middle-level and low-level language. Let us have a look at the diagram. Here, machine-level language is close to hardware as it is directly understandable by computer. It consists of zeros and ones. High-level language is close to programmer as programmer uses it to write program. Programmer finds easy to write program in high-level language. C equal to A plus B semicolon is the instruction written in programming language. Assembly language is in between high-level language and low-level language. Therefore, it is known as middle-level language. In the instruction, add A, B, add is mnemonic code to perform the operation of addition. Remember here, high-level language and middle-level language are required to be converted into low-level language in order to execute